2010 Chevy Tahoe LT. Bright silver metallic. Blacked out aluminum alloy wheels. Side step running boards. Roof rack crossbars. Tow hitch trailer package. Tailgate glass opens. Rear bumper protector. Power liftgate. Plenty of seating. Tinted windows. Nice well kept black leather interior. Looks like we got a little Top Gun on the rear entertainment. Second row heated seats with climate controls and audio controls. Wood grain trim throughout. WeatherTech floor mats. Heated front seats. Memory driver seat. Power adjustable pedals. Backup camera. Navigation.
Coming right at us.
Okay, buddy. Free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio. Hands-free Bluetooth steering wheel controls, cruise, auto headlights. Just under 165,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come on and see us. New cars.